All right, hello teachers. So after you have redeemed your master code, if you click on this connected button, it's going to take you to this screen right here and show you all of your programs. So I am going to be setting up my example just with first grade. And so here are my two first grade contents. One is my teacher's edition and the other is my student edition. So the first thing we're going to do is set up our classroom. So as you're going through and watching this video, just pause it at any point in time and then do the action on your computer, then watch a little bit more and do the action. All right, so here we go. The first thing to start setting up your classroom is just to click on your teacher's edition. As you'll see, your class name is automatically your first name, last name, class. I would recommend changing that to your title, and then after it, put 2021. You're going to want to have a school year every year because your classes will continue to show up. So this is my first grade content that I started with. Kindergarten, first and second grade teachers, you're going to want to click on this button right here. It's for a simplified login. So this way when your students are logging in, they're going to have to click on a picture that is their name, and then they're going to have to click on 3 different pictures to get logged in. So they'll have to remember like ball, triangle, star, or something like that, instead of typing in their entire username and then password. When you click on Simplified Class, a class icon is going to come up. Please don't keep the default one. Go in there and change it and pick one for your class, or else we're all going to have the same default one. So I'm going to go ahead and select this castle, and then I click Next. You're going to come up with your first teaching day. So we know that our first day of school is August 13th, but we're not going to be teaching wonders on August 13th. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the 17th and click Next. And then it just comes up and says, okay, are you sure that that's your first teaching day? And that's the first day that you're going to be teaching from the Wonders program. So I'm going to confirm it. And then a calendar is going to come up. So when this calendar comes up, it's going to be a really good idea for you to have your school calendar in front of you because you're just going to click on any days that are going to be non-teaching days, and then it's automatically going to fill them as non-teaching days. So you can see the 17th is red because that is our first day of class. Then I'm going to go in this calendar and it looks like August is good. September, nothing on the 7th. They already have it grayed out for us. But then also nothing on the 25th. Then I go to October, nothing on the 23rd. November, it looks like this whole week is a 3. And so I know I'm not going to get through a whole lesson, so I'm just going to click on those days as well. Then I'm going to go to December and click on everything past the 21st. January, nothing on the 4th or the 18th. 18th is already grayed out for us. And nothing on the 1st. That's already grayed out as well. February looks like nothing's on the 12th, but we do have school on the 15th. So make sure you clear that day back off. March 12th, April 2nd and 5th, and then May, we're going to go ahead and say we're just going to leave that because it's going to ask us for our last day. So click Save, and that automatically saves your content. And then it's going to come up with a couple different messages for you. So this auto-graded, it simply means that when you assign something in your class, it's going to grade it for you. And I'm going to click Don't Show Me That Again because that's exactly what I want it to do. And I don't want to have to read that every single time. All right, so here we go. I have my first grade class now set up, and I can go into my weekly planner. And starting on the 17th, I have what it's wanting me to do for the Start Smart. So that is how you set up your calendar or your classroom. We will learn more when I send out additional training videos or when we're back together in August. All right, have a great day.